In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ClickUp API key. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to go through each step carefully to ensure everything is done correctly. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into the correct ClickUp account. This is crucial because you need to access the right workspace where your API key is located. Double-check that you've logged into the exact account associated with the API key you wish to delete to avoid any mix-ups. Now, once you're in the right ClickUp account, look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your workspace name displayed. Clicking on your workspace name will open a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various settings and customization options within ClickUp. From this drop-down menu, you need to select Settings. This will take you to the section where you'll find all things related to your account configurations. Under the Settings menu, search for the ClickUp API section. This is where all your API keys are managed and displayed. It may take a moment to locate it, but scroll carefully down the settings list until you spot the ClickUp API. This section is crucial because it handles your external connections to other applications and services. Once you find the ClickUp API section, you'll see a list of on-off buttons corresponding to each API you've created. These switches allow you to enable or disable the APIs. Locate the specific API you wish to delete. Clicking the toggle doesn't delete the API immediately. It just turns it off temporarily, which can be useful for testing. After finding the correct API key, you're going to proceed to delete it. Clicking the toggle will prompt a message asking you to re-enter the name of your application. This step serves as a confirmation that you're sure about deleting the API key. It's a protective measure to prevent accidental deletions, which could disrupt your workflows. Keep in mind that deleting an API key will also remove any associated authorizations. This means if you've granted permissions to certain applications to access your data via this API, those connections will be revoked. So, consider if there are any integrations you need to maintain before you confirm deletion. To proceed, type in the name of your application where prompted. Double-check the spelling and make sure it's entered exactly as it's supposed to be. Once you've re-entered the name correctly, click the Delete button. Upon doing so, your API key will be permanently deleted, and any connections through it will cease immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your ClickUp API key. Thanks for watching, and remember to always perform these actions with caution to ensure your data and integrations remain secure.